Hello all, welcome to bonadeafashions. In this video, we are going through a beautiful collection of fancy silk sarees. All these sarees are having beautiful 3D embossed design running all over the body, along with contrast or running pallu and a running blouse. This beautiful collection you are getting in a price of 550 rupees along with a free shipping inside Kerala and Tamil Nadu. For placing your order, take a screenshot and DM to the given WhatsApp number. You can also place your order through our Facebook and Instagram pages. Also, please avoid making direct calls and note our payment mode is through online only. And if you guys wanted a quick update, you can join our WhatsApp groups. We are having separate groups for cotton sarees and silk sarees. You can join the like of your choice if you want. All these links be there in the description. Hope you guys like these beautiful collections. Thank you for watching.